Let's learn English naturally by visiting a coffee shop in Lisbon. On this video, you will learn 20 new phrases that you can use on a daily basis with Comprehensible Input method. I will have a conversation with Argentinian barista in Brazilian coffee shop in Lisbon, Portugal. And at the end of this video, you can test your knowledge with a summary of all phrases that you will learn. If you want to learn more about me, here's a link to my Instagram. Let's get started. Welcome to Lisbon. I'm about to hit one of the Brazilian cafes. To hit the cafe means to go to cafe, to visit the cafe. The actual meaning of it, of hitting someone, to hit someone. You can hit it with your hand, with your fist. You can also grab a chunk of wood and hit someone with a piece of wood. But generally speaking, you can use it as a slang way to visit or to go to. That I've seen this morning, and they have been marketing or promoting themselves as they are one of the best in this district. So one of the best in this district literally means that this cafe is one of the best one with this little region of Lisbon. District means a part of the town, specific district of a town, just like on this map right here. So let's give it a shot. We're gonna head down to Orioli Cafe, that one right there. We're gonna head down. This phrase is pretty interesting because there are two ways to use to head down. Usually it means either to go south or to go literally down. In my case, it meant that cafe was located a little bit downhill from the place where I was located at that time. That's why I said I'm going to head down, or we're gonna head down. If you're about to go from Los Angeles to San Francisco, you're gonna say, I'm about to head up to San Francisco. If you're in SF and you wanna go to Los Angeles, you can say, I'm about to head down to Los Angeles. And if you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit this big fat thumb up button below and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue. If this one will not work out, we're gonna head back to the other one. Let's see, are they open? Howdy. Are you guys open?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Is it okay if I'll record? Sweet. Is it okay if I'll record? That's simply being nice and asking person if that person is fine if I will record a video with that person, nothing else. I've heard you guys have an amazing coffee here, right?
Yes, sir. You did.
What's the best coffee-based drink that you guys have? What's the best coffee-based drink that you guys have? Coffee-based drink means any type of drink that is based on a coffee, which means it actually contains coffee in that drink.
So we're having one for summer, special for summer.
Special summer drink?
Do you like cold brew?
Cold brew, absolutely.
So it's basically cold brew.
Cold brew coffee, orange, cream, lavender,
Yeah,
and chocolate. That sounds sweet. That sounds sweet. Sweet means whenever we eat something, we feel the sweetness with like sugar, like honey, anything that's actually has a sweet flavor. In this case, it's not an idiom, it's a slang way, because you cannot say that something sounds sweet, right? But in a slang way, you pretty much describe your emotions of eating something sweet that you're enjoying with the sound. So that sounds very enjoyable. That's what I actually meant. How sweet is it from 1 to 10?
No, it's not that sweet. That's the thing. It's gonna be this glass. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna have cold brew till here. Okay, and the cream is gonna be just over here. Okay, so the sweet part is gonna be over there.
Perfect.
Yeah. And when you mix with cold brew, it's gonna be like a dessert. You know. It's pretty good.
Awesome. Let's do that.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Sure?
And what kind of pastry do you have?
Pastries over here, bro.
Pastry is right here. I like to go semi-sweet. I like to go semi-sweet. Sweet is with a lot of sugar. Non-sweet with no sugar. Semi-sweet is somewhere on the middle, like 50% sweet. So I prefer something semi-sweet. Not very sweet, but still sweet.
That you can get comfortable and
Absolutely.
I'll bring you over, okay?
Sounds good, thank you. So let's get a table and start working. By the way, do you guys accept payments by card?
Yep.
Perfect. And what's the most popular drink that you guys have?
Just coffee, espresso.
Just coffee espresso.
Yeah, espresso.
Just like a tiny one, right? Pretty European. In the US, we prefer to drink like this big cups of coffee, Americano. Literally, when I used to live in the North Dakota, the guys would come up with like a half a liter, pretty much, or maybe up to 750 milligrams of coffee and just constantly be sipping all day. Sipping all day literally means that you have something and you slowly sip it. Take a little sips. Just like that. That's American way. You can get a lot of pastry with it, right? When you have a lot of coffee, you can eat a lot of pastry. And you have a little one, you're like, hey. The barista here is pretty friendly, and I'm going to leave the address of this place right below this video, in case you're going to visit Lisbon one day. Olé, thank you. Looking sharp. Thank you, that looks yummy. That looks yummy, or this looks yummy, or it looks yummy, or that girl looks yummy. Whenever you want to eat something, whenever you feel like, I would eat that fruit, vegetable, I don't know, person, whatever you like to eat, you can say, it looks yummy. That was delicious. That was delicious. This phrase means that you have enjoyed something tremendously. Delicious comes from Spanish word delicia. Alrighty, thanks a lot for coffee. You have an amazing rest of your day. We'll probably catch up again. Oh, I gotta pay for it. I gotta pay for it. Well, I literally forgot to pay for the products or services that I have obtained, and I did need to come back and pay for it. So I gotta pay for it means that I'm going to actually pay for it because I forgot about it. That's the problem.
Small detail.
I should have run away.
Why are you running?
I should have run away. This is quite funny phrase because this means that I should have run away without paying for the products, without paying for a coffee and a pastry that I got. If I would run away, they would not catch me, so I would not have to pay for it. But I'm a good guy, so I did come back and pay for it. Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
From Argentina. Oh, nice. That's awesome. How long have you been here for?
I've been here for the last 2.5 years almost.
By the way, I'm going to show you and everyone else something. We're gonna click yours and we're going to reject conversion. Reject conversion means that we have dollars in my bank account, but we're in Portugal and they accept euros. So reject conversion meaning, hey, we are rejecting conversion from dollars to euros in a place that they are asking us to do. You can also accept the conversion, which would give you a green check mark. But we're going to reject it and say, no, we don't want you to convert it. If you do accept conversion, I'm going to be charged twice. It's going to convert twice.
Twice?
Yeah, because I know a lot of cashiers or baristas, they tell me like, hey, do I reject it? I say, yeah, you reject it. It's like, why? I usually explain to them, they're like, oh shit, I've been accepting for every single customer of ours. So people get charged, not charged twice, but conversion goes twice. Through this system and through their own bank. Alrighty, I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Alright, that was an amazing coffee place. I like the vibe a lot. It was super chill. The Argentinian guy in Portugal that sells coffee and a pastry in Brazilian coffee shop. Love it. After drinking coffee, by the way, I drink coffee once every couple of days, once per few days. I prefer to drink it once per week, so you could get much more energy, you could get that boost. To get that boost literally means to get a sudden increase or sudden push. It could be about energy, it could be about mood, it could be about your performance. For example, whenever you're going to gym, sometimes you will drink pre-workout, right? And here's a sentence for you. Usually I take pre-workout to get that boost before hitting the gym. So usually I get the pre-workout to get a boost of energy before I actually hit the gym and start workout. Because a lot of you guys, I'm pretty sure you're drinking coffee every single day and it doesn't work like that. You're not getting that boost, you're actually tired all the time, right? You let me know in the comments below, how much coffee are you drinking? Because I try to drink it as rarely as possible. As rarely as possible means You don't do things often, not often at all. It's actually an opposite of often. Often, rare. So as rarely as possible means once in a very while. So I could get as much energy as possible. On the other side, whenever you're drinking coffee or you're taking some drugs or whatever, you get a boost of energy, right? Your health feels better, your body feels like you're having more energy. It's called taking a loan from your body. To take a loan or taking a loan from your body means that you are going to borrow energy that you don't have. So you don't have any energy, but you take some magical pill, you take coffee, you take cocaine, and then wow, I got a lot of energy. You're taking a loan, but later you're gonna have to pay it back with exhaustion, with a headache, with no energy at all. Because usually afterwards, you will have to pay for it, right? You will feel very exhausted, very drained, you want to sleep, you get a headache. That's the payoff time. That's the time where you're going to pay off for your loan. Let me know, guys, have you guys ever felt this time when you're actually paying off, when you're drained after different things, not only coffee, because I'm pretty sure you do feel that after cocaine and several more things. You let me know right here. I'm about to hit one of the Brazilian cafes that I've seen this morning, and they have been marketing or promoting themselves as they are one of the best in this district. So let's give it a shot. We're gonna head down to Orioli Cafe, that one right there. If this one will not work out, we're gonna head back to the other one. Awesome. Is it okay if I record? Sweet. What's the best coffee-based drink that you guys have? Cold brew coffee, orange, cream, lavender,
Yeah.
and chocolate. That sounds sweet. How sweet is it from 1 to 10?
No, it's not that sweet.
And what kind of pastry do you have?
Pastries over here, bro.
Pastry is right here. I like to go semi-sweet. So let's get a table and start working. Pretty much, or maybe up to 750 milligrams of coffee and just constantly be sipping all day. Thank you, that looks yummy. That was delicious. Alrighty, thanks a lot for coffee. You have an amazing rest of the day. We'll probably catch up again. Oh, I gotta pay for it. Uh-oh, that's the problem.
Small details.
I should have ran away. We're gonna click yours and we're going to reject conversion so you could get much more energy, you could get that boost. Because a lot of you guys, I'm pretty sure you're drinking coffee every single day and it doesn't work like that. You let me know in the comments below, how much coffee are you drinking? Because I try to drink it as rarely as possible so I could get as much energy as possible. Your health feels better, your body feels like you're having more energy. It's called taking a loan from your body. Because usually afterwards, you will have to pay for it, right?